Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing how to do a chin stand. Some things I want you all to know before you do this. Make sure that your chaturanga is really good, or even if your ashtang namaskar is very good, because if you understand your push-up mobility in a tricep form, we've done lots of these before, so if you understand this, it's going to get easier to do a chin stand because majority of your weight is on your hands and your triceps. Let's get on with this now. If you're an absolute beginner, you can get some blocks, and also you can use a mat or a towel for something which is going to give you a little bit more support on your chin, because initially on your chin it's going to hurt a little bit. Yeah, so moving on, we're going to come back now. As we come back, the wall is going to be there to support you. Yeah, now what I want you all to remember is that your hands are going to be behind. Okay, it's going to be behind the block, and as you drop down, your shoulders are going to come on top. So the shoulders are taking support of the block. This is going to help you a little bit. Okay, inhale, exhale. Now as you do this, you're going to take one leg up, second leg up, wherever. If you want to keep your legs bent, if you want to straighten, it doesn't matter, whichever is comfortable for you. Stay 5, breathe 4, keep taking the weight forward, so the bum wants to keep coming up. 3, 2, 1. From there I'm going to bend one leg, stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down, other one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. I am doing this motion so that I understand the ability to take the weight forward. Now, once you understand that, that is when you're going to take the leg off the floor and try and find your balance. Now, if you feel this is too difficult, keep staying here till you find the stability in your hands, yeah, like we mentioned before. Once you feel this is a little bit better, inhale, exhale, we're going to go down. As we go down, shoulder has support, legs are going up. As the leg goes up, leg goes slightly up, and you're going to lift. Stay 5. It's difficult to breathe in this. 3, talk. 2, 1. We're going to come back. Boom. And down. As I mentioned, your block is going to give you a little bit more support. Yeah, so it's easier with the block. From here, I'm going to try the same thing without the block. Inhale. Exhale. You're going to come down. As you come down, take the legs up. As you take the legs up, scoot up and lift. 5, 4, point the feet. 3, 2, 1. Come back. Drop it down and relax. From here, you are ready to do a full chin stand without the help of the wall or this. So, inhale, exhale. You're going to come forward. So now if you feel there is a little bit more tension on your chin, you can use either a towel or a little bit more padding, so a blanket or a mat, so that it's going to give you cushioning onto your chin and you will feel better. Yeah. So from here, inhale, exhaling, we are going to come forward. As we come forward, drop again like you're doing a push-up. Okay, this is exactly like chaturanga. Inhale, exhale, lift up. As you lift, walk closer to your feet. Lift one leg up, lift the other. There we go. Say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down, drop, and relax. There you have it. I hope this made sense and you find it a little bit easier to do. Till I see you next time. Practice daily. Stay safe. Stay humble. Okay, bye.